Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Mike.
Hi everyone, I am Aliza. So happy to see you today.
Yes, today is a very special episode.
Very special because today, we talk about confidence.
Confidence, yes, speaking English with confidence.
That's right. Today's topic is communicate with confidence.
If you want to speak English better, this video is for you.
Perfect for you. Stay with us until the end, okay?
But first, a small favor.
Yes, a small favor.
If you like this video, please click the like button.
And subscribe to our channel. It really helps us a lot.
It helps us make more videos for you.
Okay, now let's start.
So, Aliza, can I ask you a question?
Yes, of course, Mike.
Do you feel nervous when you speak English?
Oh, yes. Sometimes I feel very nervous.
Really? But your English is so good.
Aw, thank you, Mike. But sometimes I still feel shy.
I understand. Many people feel shy.
Yes, shy, nervous, scared, all these feelings.
But today, we learn how to speak with confidence.
Confidence. Let's say this word together.
Confidence.
Confidence.
One more time.
Confidence.
Great. Now you know this word.
Confidence means you believe in yourself.
Yes, you believe I can do this.
I can speak English.
I can communicate.
Communicate. This is another important word.
Communicate means to share ideas with someone.
To talk, to listen, to understand each other.
Very simple. Communicate. Let's repeat.
Communicate.
Communicate.
Okay, so Mike, tell me, why do people feel nervous when they speak English?
Good question, Aliza. Many reasons.
Tell us.
First reason, they are afraid of mistakes.
Ah, yes, I know this feeling.
Many people think if I make a mistake, people will laugh.
But Mike, everyone makes mistakes.
Yes, even native speakers make mistakes.
True. You know, I heard my English friend say I goed to the store one time.
Really? Goad? Oh my, that's funny.
Yes, it's went, not goed, but she laughed too. It's okay.
Exactly. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes help us learn.
So, friends, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are your teacher.
Let's repeat this. Mistakes are my teacher.
Mistakes are my teacher.
Say it with us.
Okay, second reason people feel nervous.
They think too much.
Think too much? What do you mean, Mike? They think, is my grammar correct? Is my pronunciation correct?
Ah, I understand. Too many questions in their head.
Yes, too many questions. This makes them stop talking.
So what should we do?
Just speak. Don't think too much. Just speak slowly.
Speak slowly. This is very important.
When you speak slowly, you feel calm.
Calm, not fast, not rushed.
Exactly. Slow and clear is better than fast and confusing.
Let's repeat. Slow and clear.
Slow and clear.
Very good.
Now, Aliza, can you give an example, a daily life example?
Oh, yes. For example, at a coffee shop.
Perfect example.
Imagine you go to a coffee shop.
Okay, I'm imagining.
The worker asks, "What would you like to drink?"
And you feel nervous, but you can say slowly,
"I would like a coffee, please."
simple sentence, clear sentence.
Yes, you don't need difficult words.
Simple words are okay. Simple words are good.
Let's practice this sentence together.
I would like a coffee, please.
I would like a coffee, please.
One more time, everyone.
I would like a coffee, please.
Great job. Now you can order coffee with confidence.
Yes, no more nervous feelings at the coffee shop.
Okay, let's talk about another tip.
Yes, please, tell us, Mike.
Tip number 2, practice speaking every day.
Every day, even a little bit?
Yes, even 5 minutes every day is good.
5 minutes. That's not too much.
Exactly. Small steps every day make big progress.
Small steps. I like this.
You can practice alone, too. Talk to yourself in English.
Talk to yourself? People will think I'm crazy.
No, it's a good method. Many teachers say this.
Okay, I believe you.
You can describe your day. Today, I woke up. I ate breakfast. I went to work.
Ah, simple sentences again.
Yes, always simple sentences first.
What else can we do to practice?
You can also practice with a friend.
Like us, we are practicing right now.
Exactly. This is a real conversation.
A real, natural conversation.
Not a test, not an exam, just a friendly talk.
This makes learning fun.
Yes, when learning is fun, you remember more.
True, I remember new words better when I laugh and enjoy.
Me too, Aliza. Okay, let's give another example.
Okay, imagine you meet a new friend.
Ooh, a new friend. Exciting.
Yes, what can you say first?
You can say, "Hi, my name is Mike. Nice to meet you."
Simple greeting.
And the friend can answer,
Hi Mike, I'm Aliza. Nice to meet you too.
let's repeat this greeting together.
Hi, my name is. Nice to meet you.
Hi, my name is. Nice to meet you.
Everyone, say your name now. Practice with us.
Okay, welcome back, everyone.
Great job, everyone.
All right, that's the end of part 1, friends.
Yes, stay with us for part 2. We have more useful tips.
See you in a moment.
Welcome back, everyone. This is Mike again.
And this is Aliza. Let's continue our conversation.
So, in part 1, we talked about mistakes and daily practice.
Now let's talk about body language too.
Body language. What is that, Aliza?
Body language means how you use your face and hands when you talk.
Ah, like smiling.
Yes, smiling helps you feel more confident.
Smiling also makes the other person feel comfortable.
Exactly, and eye contact too.
Eye contact means looking at the person's eyes?
Yes, simple eye contact. Not too much, just natural. Not scary.
Right. This shows you are confident and friendly.
Very true. Now, another important tip, don't compare yourself to others.
Don't compare. Why, Aliza?
Because everyone learns at a different speed.
That's right. Some people learn fast, some people learn slowly.
Both are okay. Your speed is your speed.
I like this idea. No pressure.
No pressure, just progress.
Let's repeat. No pressure, just progress.
No pressure, just progress.
Beautiful. Okay, Aliza, let's ask our listeners a question now.
Yes, a simple question for practice.
Question. What do you usually say when you meet someone new?
Think about it for a moment.
You can write your answer in the comments.
Yes, practice writing in English too.
Writing helps you remember words better.
Exactly. Reading, writing, listening, speaking, all together help you improve.
Okay, let's continue with more real-life examples.
Okay, imagine you are at a restaurant.
Oh, a restaurant. I love food examples.
Me too. Okay, the waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?"
And you can say, "Yes, I would like the chicken, please."
Simple and clear.
Or you can say, "Can I have a few more minutes, please?"
Great sentence. Very polite too.
Let's repeat this sentence.
Can I have a few more minutes, please?
Can I have a few more minutes, please?
Perfect. Now you're ready for any restaurant.
Yes, no more hungry and confused feelings.
Now let's talk about listening too.
Listening is very important.
Yes, when you listen more, you learn how native speakers talk.
You learn their rhythm, their speed, their pronunciation.
Exactly. This helps your speaking too.
So watching videos like this really helps.
Yes, that's why you're here with us today.
Keep listening, keep practicing.
Little by little, you will improve.
Little by little. I like this phrase.
Let's repeat. Little by little.
Little by little.
One more time.
Little by little.
Wonderful. Okay, let's give a final tip today.
Yes, the last tip.
Be kind to yourself.
Be kind to yourself. This is so important.
Don't say negative things like, "I'm bad at English."
Instead, say, "I'm still learning English."
Yes, there's a big difference.
"I'm still learning" sounds positive.
Positive words help you feel confident.
Let's repeat this together. I'm still learning, and that's okay.
I'm still learning, and that's okay.
Everyone say this with us.
I'm still learning, and that's okay.
Perfect. Remember this phrase every day.
Okay, friends, let's do a quick review.
Yes, let's review what we learned today.
We learned mistakes are my teacher.
We learned slow and clear.
We learned no pressure, just progress.
We learned little by little.
And I'm still learning, and that's okay.
Great phrases for confident communication.
If you practice these ideas every day, you will improve.
Slowly but surely, your confidence will grow.
Just like a small plant grows with water and sunlight.
Aw, nice example, Aliza. Very poetic.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, everyone, before we finish today's episode,
We want to ask you something fun.
yes, tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite meal?
Write it in English. Practice a simple sentence.
For example, my favorite meal is pizza.
Or, my favorite meal is rice and chicken.
Simple sentence, real practice.
We will read your comments and reply to some of you.
Yes, we love talking with you.
Thank you so much for watching today, everyone.
Remember, don't be afraid to speak.
Speak slowly, speak simply, speak with confidence.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.
And share this video with a friend who is learning English too.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep practicing.
Bye-bye. Take care.